Dovrefjell National Park, March. A storm is coming. 8 days. 2 of us. Stefan, Rieger and I, skiing into the heart of Norway's Arctic fury. The wind howls like a beast, gusts so fierce, they test every step. But together, we push forward. Between the blizzard's rage, life endures. A reindeer herd, silent and strong. Here, I set up my tripod and 1,200 lens, scanning the horizon. The Musk ox are over a kilometer away, tiny dots against the endless white. Yet there they stand, a group of musk ox, far off, unshaken by the snow. And then, magic. The northern lights ignite above the frozen peak, as if the storm itself were conducting the sky's symphony, as seen here at sunset in all its splendor. Time shifts. Clouds race like wild horses across the sky. The sun, a fleeting ally, painting the mountains gold before the storm steals it away again. An intro, 8 days, 1 storm, 2 adventurers, a shared story we'll never forget. The main film is coming soon. Stay tuned.